Hey guys, we get these Sensor CS20 computer speakers to test and try, and these are PC speakers with a stereo sound with the manual. So this comes with these two pieces with the right and left speaker, so that I will show you. So this have a volume knob and a flowing LED light, and also you can use it as a sound bar that I will show you. It can be used by both USB or with a Bluetooth function and is a nice thing. So lightweight. So this comes with this USB-C adapter as well, that you can use the USB to USB-C if that supports it. So the nice built speakers here, lightweight, and you can combine these two pieces to make it in a soundbar design. So it's a pretty cool feature that you can convert it to the soundbar or to the individual speaker. So this is a 2.0 channel individual speaker, or you can use it as a slide together as a PC soundbar. So let's test and try this on a PC. So I just add in, and I'm just playing a royalty-free music video. You can see like the LED lights are going along with this sound. You can also have this volume knob to control the volume, and also you can control the LED lights of the different design, or you can even shut it off. So it's a clear sound, as you can see or hear, and then with the LED lights also in the different colors here. And it's also have a Bluetooth that you can connect it with a Bluetooth, but I'm connecting this through the USB right now. So it's pretty cool, and I like to connect this through my USB, but it's up to you. So it have a dual connection and the other things. So it's a very nice computer PC speakers for the purpose to use with the PC with the volume knob and things. So this is like with the standing bar or the sound bar design that you can see. It's pretty cool and nice PC speaker, or the sound bar, or the dual with the Bluetooth and USB. Hope you like this as well.